Okay guys, today I am going to show you how to open this smoke detector, because this smoke detector in my loop I found this one is sensor faulty, means it is dirty, too much dirty this sensor. So I remove this one, and now I will show you how to open this Gent Vigilon smoke detector. This is combination, also have a heat and a smoke sensor also. So it is combination heat and optical both type here. So I am going to open this smoke detector. We have here, you can see here lock. We are going to see this by this small screwdriver. I am going to open this small screwdriver. I am going to open the locks. This is one lock, two lock. This is the third lock. I am going to open third lock, and this one is fourth lock. Okay, and then we open this one. You see here, this is the sensor chamber, sensing chamber. You can see here LED, one transmitter, and if it is have something here coming like a smoke or dust, then it is reflected and going there. So our this loop sense that there is something have dust or smoke. You can see it is very dirty. So first I will clean this one and then return this one.